So today I finally received my new Triyit box, so let's see what's inside. Ooh. Just got the leaflets there. Nice, some smoky bacon flavoured crisps, chips. Boundless got happy snacking. Branstonnaise. Funkin cocktails, passion fruit martini. Ooh. Whyte and Mackay, a Scotch whiskey. Okay. And then, I believe, this is one final item, which I might need two hands for. One moment. Okay, so with two hands I've managed to unravel, so it's a cider. Reveler. Orchard Pig cider. Nice. There we are. That is all of the products in this Triyit box.